Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
My good people of Osun State,
and press like.
We have all heard the split judgment of the governorship election tribunal.
Okay, we love you guys. 2
members of the tribunal delivered 2 opposing judgments. The chairman and the member 1. The member 2 did not deliver any judgment. She abstained. The chairman's judgment affirmed the claim of overvoting, while the member 1's judgment agreed with our position as captured by the beavers machine as the primary source of accreditation data of true accreditation on the day of the election. The reality of my election as the governor of Osun State is captured in the member 1's judgment. The claim of overvoting in the chairman's judgment was unfounded. This was clearly a miscarriage of justice. I repeat, this was clearly a miscarriage of justice. Based on the above, there was no majority judgment. I repeat, based on the above, there was no majority judgment. My good people of Osun State, I am still your governor. I have the right of appeal on the chairman's judgment, and I have instructed my lawyers accordingly. You gave me your mandate. Our election remains valid, and by the grace of God, we will triumph at last. I call on you all to remain calm and go about your normal activities peacefully. Please remain law-abiding. We have strong faith in God and in our judiciary. God bless you all. God bless Osun State, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I thank you all.